Today we have none other than the classic Hangisi pump from Manolo Blahnik. Manolo. Now, whether you own a pair or have tried on a pair, you know the comfort that is this Hangisi pump. And if you have not tried one on, what are you waiting for? Go to your local department store and try one of these shoes on. They are so comfortable. And although the shoe is gorgeous, this tissue hair is hiding something for me. So this is pretty normal for pumps. And when your insoles are made of kid leather or any leather, they readily absorb moisture. So that, in addition to just dust and debris, dirt from the environment, as well as our natural dead skin cells, this can leave them looking pretty dirty with just a few wears. These shoes deserve to be taken really good care of. So we're going to go over how to get your shoe looking like this to this. And it's pretty simple. You can see the stark difference there is. And honestly, this just takes a few seconds of your time to get these nice and clean. They look practically brand new after cleaning the inside of them. So let's get into it. The first thing you need is this Jason Markk cleaning solution. I found this at my local Target. I did do some research before, and it's a pretty well-known shoe cleaning brand. They are a B Corp certified company and continue to be sustainability led. What I love about this cleanser is that it is also a conditioner, which is great. This is just an extra toothbrush I had laying around. Now, this specific solution is concentrated, so you can either add water to it or just use very little like I did. So I just kind of poured it directly into my shoe and then use the toothbrush to gently scrub at the insole. I am not scrubbing very hard with this. I'm just kind of making sure I'm getting all of the crevices, and then you can take a paper towel or a microfiber cloth and kind of just wipe all of that away. And here's the final result. They both look great, good as new. Well, now since they're nice and clean, it's time to try these things on. They are so beautiful. I forgot how comfortable these shoes were because I had not worn them in a while. This shoe was originally created in the spring-summer 2008 collection, and it was created in pink, black, and green. Since then, it has been produced in over 100 different materials and colorways, and in 7 different heel heights. So whether you want the original or your favorite color or variation of height, it is out there. There is a reason why these shoes have stood the test of time and have been around for so many years. The blue color, the bejeweled brooch is just perfection. You can dress these up or down, and I also think these are the perfect bridal shoe. It passes the stability test. I think what makes these shoes so comfortable is where the stiletto heel is positioned on your actual foot. It's pretty much in the center of your heel, so it makes it feel very, very comfortable. Now you know how to get those insoles nice and clean, and please subscribe if you haven't already so you can continue making videos on all things designer shoes. Stay soul chic.